Hello teachers, in this video I will be sharing you how you can create homework using FlipLearn application. So for that, first of all, you have to click on the FlipLearn application icon and you have to log in the application. Once you log in, you have to scroll at the bottom, and where you see FlipLearn Public School written, this is the Edge platform basically, which you have to click in order to create any activity. Once you click on it, you will be seeing the classes and subjects that have been allocated to you, and out of these classes and subjects you can choose out any of the class and subject in which you want to create your activity. So as an example, I am taking class 8 science. Once you choose your class and subject, a new page will get loaded in front of you, which will have all the topics related to the class and subject that you have chosen. And just below every topic, teachers, you will have the option of add an activity or resource, which is really very important option. Whenever you have to create the activity, you have to click on this option. Once you click on this option, again a new page will reflect in front of you, which will share that you can do a lot of things using FlipLearn application. For example, you can share assignment, file, folder, forum, homework, live class page, quiz, URL and Zoom meetings as well. In this video, as we are discussing about homework, so let us select homework from here. And as you select homework, a new page will get reflected where you have to mandatorily enter 2-3 basic informations. One, the name of the homework, any name that you want, you can put down over here. Moving ahead, you can scroll down. If you want, you can enter the timings by clicking on enable. You can set up the date and time at which you want to start the homework. Similarly, you can set the date and time at which you want to end the homework and the specific time limit to a student. If you do not wish to do that, you can skip this option and move to the final option, which is activity completion, where you only have to click on enable and set the display on student timeline. That means the date and time at which you want this homework to be reflected on the home page or the timeline of the students. So you can set any date and time over here, and this is really very important. Once you have done that, you can click on save and add questions, and now as a teacher you can add various types of questions in your application. How you'll do that? So once you click on add questions, you get to know that from FlipLearn you can add questions from the question bank. You can also create questions from your end as well. If you have to pick question from the question bank, you can simply click on question bank, and let me highlight that FlipLearn has already uploaded more than 2.5 lakh questions in the question bank. So picking questions from here is really very easy. So all the questions related to the class and subject that you've chosen will reflect in front of you like this. You can scroll down and view all the questions over here, or else you can also click on select a category, select a specific category, and then the questions will be shortlisted basis on that category. If you have to pick or choose the questions, you can simply click or tick the small box given on the left side, and then you have to scroll at the bottom and click on add selected questions to the homework. That is how simple it is to pick questions from the question bank. Once you have done so, you can simply go ahead, click on save, and your homework will be created. But if as a teacher you want to create question from your side, you can do that as well. For that, you can click on add question. You can choose out the first option, that is a new question, and you can create all these questions in the application. Multiple choice, true, false, match the following, short answers, numerical, essay, and all these questions can be created. As an example, let me share how you'll be creating a true and false question over here. So first of all, you'll be choosing true, false, and you will be clicking on add, and then a new page will get reflected where first of all you have to enter the question name. So any name you want, you can enter it over here. Let's say true and false. Then going ahead in the question text, you can enter the statement for your true and false. For example, my statement is Delhi is the capital of India. So this is my statement for my true and false. You can enter any statement that you want over here. Moving ahead, in default marks you can set any marks that you want to give to this question. Going ahead, under correct answer, you have to only mark whether your statement is correct or it is not correct. So whether it is true or false. So my statement is true, so I'll mark it as true, and I'll click on save changes, and that is how simple it is to create a true and false question in the application. Once you have added all your questions, you can simply click on save, and as you click on save, your homework will be saved and will be shared with your